Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a purchase requisition in Oracle. To start off, please open your internet browser and in the address bar, enter the application URL erp.ladon.sa and press enter. This is the Oracle application login screen. On this screen, you need to enter your user ID and password to access the application. Your employee ID is your user ID. And if you do not remember your password or the system is inaccessible, please click the Forgot Password link. On this screen, please enter your user ID, select the Forgot Password section, and click Submit. You will now receive an automated email from the system. Please click the link in the email and reset your password. On this screen, please enter your desired password. Now, please enter your password again to confirm and click Submit. Now please enter your user ID and your password and click Sign in. You have now reached the Oracle application home screen where you can start entering purchase requisition. If at any point you want to return to home screen, please press the home icon. To create a purchase requisition, click on the procurement icon and then click the purchase requisition icon. Purchase requisition homepage will now open. On the left-hand side, you will see the 5 most recent requisitions that you have entered previously. Here you can see the PR number, the PR description, and the PR status. On the right-hand side, you will find the 5 most recent items that you have requested. If you are creating a PR for the first time, it is mandatory to set the preferences. To set the preferences, please click the pencil icon next to your name. Edit Requisition Preferences page will open. Click Search button against Deliver to Location field. A new search page will open. In the code field, enter your project code and press Search. Select the project value and press OK. Now press Save and Close. To create a requisition, click on More Tasks drop-down and from the list, click Enter Requisition Line option. Enter Requisition Line page will open. In the item code field, enter the item code that the budgeting team has provided you. Item description, category name, and unit of measure field will auto-populate. From the source type list, select Supplier to create a PR. In the quantity field, enter the required quantity. System will automatically fetch the price from item database where you can update this price as desired. You can enter the estimated price or contractual price or the BOQ price. Click on Destination Type list. There are 2 options, Expense and Inventory. Select Expense when you want to directly consume the requested items without storing these items in a warehouse. Select Inventory when you want to receive and store these items in a warehouse first and then later issue these items from the warehouse. If you will select the inventory option, you need to provide project ID and project task under this destination type field. If you select the expense option, you need to provide the project details under billing section. First, we will create a line with inventory destination type. So select inventory from the list and enter project code in the project ID field and the project task in the project task field. You will get the project task and the project ID details from the budgeting team. Once you have provided all the information, click on Add to Cart button. System will add this line to cart. To create multiple lines, follow the same process. Enter the provided item code, select source type as supplier, and enter the required quantity and unit price. Now we will create another line for expense case, so select expense option from the destination type list. Under billing section, enter project ID in the project number field. Enter the task number and select the expenditure item date. This is the date at which expenditure will be booked for this project. Now enter the expenditure type in the expenditure type field. You will get the project ID, project task, and project expenditure type details from the budgeting team. Once all the information is provided, click Add to Cart button. System will add this line to cart. If you want to add more lines, follow the same process and add the lines to cart. Once you have added all the lines to cart, click on the shopping icon. If you want to delete any line that you have previously added to cart, click on delete icon. Otherwise, to proceed to checkout page, click the review button. Edit requisition page will open. Enter the PR description in the description field. By default, system will populate the description from the first line, but you can change it as required. Provide any meaningful description for the PR now. If you want to attach any documents, click on Add icon next with the attachment field. Attachments page will open. Click on Browse button and select the required file from your system. If you want to add multiple files, click on Add button again and browse the required file. Once you have added all the files, click on OK button. Review the information you have entered. Click on the line to view the information for that line. If you want to change any information, you can change it from this page. If not, then submit this PR for approval. Before submitting the PR for approval, you can view the approval hierarchy by clicking on Manage Approvals button. System will show you the approvers who need to approve this requisition and the sequence in which they will approve. Click on Back button to go to previous page or click on Submit button to submit this PR for approval. Note that the status of this PR is pending approval. Initially, when you create a PR, the status will be incomplete, and when it will be submitted for approval, the status will change from incomplete to pending approval. And when it will be approved by the approval hierarchy, the status will change from pending approval to approved. To check the current approval of your requisition, click on Pending Approval link. Approval hierarchy page will open. The person with the assigned status is the current approver with whom this PR is pending. Click Done to go back to the previous page. By default, system will show you your last 5 entered requisitions on the left side of the page. If you want to see your previous entered requisitions, click on Manage Requisitions link to view all the requisitions that you have entered. System will show you the requisition number, description, and the status. You can also view the complete life cycle of the requisition. If procurement has processed your PR and created an order, you will find an order number in front of your PR. You can view the order details by clicking on the order number. System will show you the ordered quantity and amount along with the received quantity and the invoiced amount. This constitutes the process to create PR in Oracle. Thank you for watching.